Hi, welcome to this video where we will be going into a make automation that conducts a SWOT analysis on a few different companies. In this automation, we will be primarily working with Airtable and OpenAI. So let's dive into this workflow. So as I mentioned before, we have Airtable. We also have this iterator node, which I'll dive into more in a while. We have this OpenAI node, and then finally, our last node is an Airtable. So let me just quickly show you our Airtable that we have here. So we have a company directory, and our table is called company. As you can see, we have 4 companies: Court Solution, FinEdge Capital, HealthBridge, and EduSpark. And there are 4 rows, and then on the right side, we have the different information about these companies, from website to like a description, company size, etc., which will be useful in feeding our automation. So let's dive in. So first we have the search record node, which will essentially go and query through all the different fields and rows. So we have 4 rows, and then we have almost like 10 to 15, between 10 to 15 fields. So that is then sent over to this iterator node, which will go and parse through each row individually. So when it does the first row, it will send that over to OpenAI, then the second row, third row, fourth row, which will each like sequentially be sent into the model. So in our OpenAI, we're using GPT 4.1 system. And then our prompt is conducting a SWOT analysis on the company using the description, the name, and organizing it into strengths, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Cool. And then finally, we have a update record node. So here, it essentially matches each record ID to the row, and it inputs the result from ChatGPT into each row. So let's try it. Run once. Cool. So our Airtable is running, iterator is running, and then sent to OpenAI, and then finally Airtable. Let's see what happened. Scrolling to our results. Okay, cool. So it's just been filling it in. So we can see some of like the strengths and weaknesses, and formatted it pretty well. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Cool. For each of these companies. Awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this simple make automation, and looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.